All right.
What?
In this, I'm recording. In this is the Sketch 999 hoodie by Revenge. This is shipped from the 999 place in LA. It's gonna look similar to this. Time to open it. Came here in like 3 days. Interesting, it's priority mail. Look at that. Double XL, baby. Clean. Let's go, dude. Now it's time to open it. Cropped. No eyelets. Amazing. Puff print. Very thin layer of puff. Not crazy amount of puff. Double XL. Oh, this thing's big. Like, kind of colorful. I like it in person now. And it's straight. It's not like crooked or anything. Mess with it. Mess with it. Oh, first time being open and it's like stuck together. Kind of weird. Pretty cool though. Still got that tag. Revenge. Double XL. Alright, gonna try it on.